Hello everyone. I'm on week 10 of the Purdue Global Internship, and in this video I want to give an overview of the whole 10 weeks internship. And over this presentation I will go over some topics such as my learning objective, my learning task and strategies, evaluations, linking profile and resume, some course suggestions, and my overall impression. One of my very first homework was to develop a learning contract. In this learning contract, I was asked to put in some learning goals, some learning strategies, and ways how I would like to evaluate these learning goals. I'm still pretty new to the IT field. I have over year and some change, year and a half, maybe. So, one of my learning goals was to build up more knowledge and more experience in this field and know more about the different branches. Um, Develop a career path as I gained experience, of course. Um, and learn some of the tools, some of the IT tools that are used nowadays in most jobs. Um, and the other learning goal that I have is to pursue a certification. Um, since I'm currently working in cybersecurity, I was like, okay, I think it will be helpful to follow with one of the cybersecurity certifications. So I choose In this case, I choose CASP. I'm still working on set up the day for the test. Um, Coming back to the agenda, the learning task and strategies. So during the internship over the weeks, I was assigned several projects, several tasks that helped me to develop this, develop my skills and work on my learning objectives. One of here are some of the programs that we use here in the internship. Um, we have sailor.org. On this program, I mainly work on the management information system. Um, there's the option. There's a free course and free test. Um, at the end of the course, of course. And this certification path can also be added as a college credits. As you can see right here, I got the free certification. Um, some other courses that I use was Try Hack Me. Try Hack Me was very interesting. This is a really cool tool. Um, it really allow you to develop some skills in different areas, network security, uh, Linux, Windows. But it has it has several options right here. Um, Cisco Packet Tracer for those beginners and for people that have also experience as well. It's a really cool tool. And lastly, the last project I'm working on, AWS, the Amazon Web Service. I will go ahead and put my password. The really cool part of this is that all these websites, all these tools are free. Of course, for some people, that would like to get the certification, advanced certification, well, some of them have a fee. Some of the certification have a fee, but we also get some discounts through the school. Um, Going back to the agenda. So here are some of my certs that I got so far. The management information system and one of the several AWS certifications that I got through the last project that I'm working on. Um, so those are the some ways that some of the tasks that help me to evaluate my the knowledge and experience that I've been gaining throughout this internship. LinkedIn profile and resume. I do have a profile, but I only use it in my phone. So I will skip that part. But my resume, the cool part about the resume is like I have the opportunity to create and update my resume, even though I'm still in the I'm still under contract with my current job. I won't be able to seek for a new job until at least 2 more years. But at least I have the experience to in how to create or how to update my resume. Here, here is the last one of the last homework that I have to do, which was to create update my resume with a cover letter. As I say, I won't be able to um, search for a new job at least in 2 years, but at least have the experience on address how to address company hiring manager once I get the opportunity to do it. Okay. Course suggestions. It's a really complete course. It's a really complete program, the 10 weeks internship. So there's no too much to add. Um, the team members they really work a lot to help you out to develop the skills and to give you the tools to success too. So there's not much suggestion that I will add on this. Something that I really wanna mention and is and especially in the associate of the of information technology, we have two options, right? We have the capstone and we have the option of the internship. I asked that question before. What's the difference? And so pretty much the answer that they gave me was to the capstone is thesis format of the associate. So for those that are more into research and work individually or work mostly at their own pace, I will definitely suggest to search more information about the capstone. But the internship program is a really good program that will give you some experience and yeah, it will help you out to develop in your career. So that's it for this presentation. I hope you guys find it helpful somehow. Um, Thank you for watching.